Hi, this is Rob from Tesla Owners US, and we dissolved, or we found out about the secrets of these valves. So these are the emergency valves for the struts, and you guys know that we have problems with that. And what the problems are comes after the intro.
Hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. All the good times just begun. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future.
Okay, so as you remember, our emergency holdback valves, we had one section of this guy that has had a wrong, they were sold for the Model S, but it had a wrong thread on the top. So they never returned, I'm gonna write it up there, they never returned my return material authorization. Then we had these ones, they came with the original struts. And it was saying, there are all 4 Model S 2012 to 2016, all fits and everything possible. And as my favorite technician found out, they didn't. Because in one of them, we left the old one in, and that was the hint.
Both rears.
Both rears, we left the old one in, and on the rears, then it worked. Actually, we had the new ones in, right? Then it didn't work at all, and then we put the old ones back in, and it pumped up. So that made us wonder, suspicious, and then we found out from the front, they are now temporary working. Sometimes they're working and sometimes they don't, right? So I found a company, Miesler GmbH in Germany, and I need to have a guy to bring me those valves because the transportation was too expensive. It was, I think, ridiculous, $50 to ship this. So I had them shipped to an address in Germany, and they flew over here and then put the bag in his suitcase, and then it flew over here. Now we have a new set, precision manufactured. We try the first 2 in the front first, and then we have 2 on reserve. If you guys need some of those ones, I make you the contact and for the valves. The valves itself, it's about $50 or so, a little bit less than that, and including transportation. So, and yeah, I'm maybe in the future, if you have these problems, I might sell them to you. So it's easy. We don't have to take the wheel off, right? Is that correct? To the front.
The rear, the wheels got to come off.
In the rear, the wheels comes off. So we just only have to do the front, and it's in the holiday week, so we just do this, and that's enough. And then we test them out, and we let you know what the results are. This is the English side. So put the car jack underneath. So watch the correct point. We're gonna lift the car up all the way. And should I put it in jack mode or not?
No.
No, it's not necessary. Okay. Lift it all the way, and then we should already see, we see it. There in the back, there's the valve, and that's what we have to replace, and we can access it from here. We got our tools, here are the valves. Let's go. Also from here, don't forget your safety, need to be placed underneath. Just push it up as much as you can. Going to tell us the best point where to put it. Now you hear the sound already. Yeah. So the air will go out. And that's the solution. By the way, Tesla did not find it either. He was very mad, the guy, the service guy, because I gave him a bad review. And rightful so, because they didn't do any, they just said, oh, by the way, Tesla's saying to you, if that happens, just exchange the struts. It's going to be $1,800 for the front. So this is what you would have to pay.
And on back order.
And they were on back order as well. So, okay, I got the struts delivered and here we go. Here we go. Yeah. Did they deliver also this little tiny piece there?
Yeah, the ferrule's inside.
The ferrule, yes. So that was a quality. The ferrule inside broke, and here is the closure for that. And that's the bad piece. But we got a new ferrule from the new one. Here we go. There it is. Yeah. So that's what we're gonna have to install on it. Yeah. Oh, there's a holding piece for that. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
So this can be assembled.
Yeah. So don't tighten it all the way up.
Nope.
There's a difference?
I'm just looking at it. Looking at the airflow.
Where the airflow goes. Yeah. Okay. And screw this guy in, and then the pipe.
Step on the brake. Put it very high.
Okay. On the brake. Test. The pump goes.
Yep.
Windows down.
It already sounds off.
Yeah, do you hear that?
Yep.
Yeah.
Sounds way better because I heard the air go into the strut.
Oh, really?
Go into very high.
Okay. Suspension is on high right now.
Okay.
Oh, it puts it automatic.
Yeah.
It remembers your location because your location is high. Yeah. It moves up. No, it moves down.
No, that's me.
Ah, that's you. Okay. How does it know how far it needs to move up?
There's a height sensor.
Okay. So that could be a problem as well. Yeah. That was super quick, and we exchanged it. It's all working. The pumps goes up, the air suspension goes up. We're going to do a test drive. We're going to ride it to the car wash, but I think it's all fine working. And that was the problem. There was emergency holdback valves, or how you call it, yeah. And thanks to my favorite technician, I always go there. Don't let me say something about Tesla. Don't let me say something about Tesla. So, okay, good. That's all. Subscribe and thumbs up if you like it. Bye-bye.